Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
This is a new case which has been filed by the Enforcement Department, whereby whatever predicate offence they have committed, like forgery and other things, including that including not taking of the permission and running illegal business, nearly 30 to 35 crore of revenue, that is proceeds of crime, has been generated. And after conducting the thorough investigation, Enforcement Department has filed a complaint whereby we have found around 30 to 35 crores of proceeds of crime. And the complaint has been filed and it came up for the first hearing today. The court, after hearing the prosecution, is pleased to issue notice for argument before cognizance. Next day it will be for the appearance of the